We're gonna start off with Travis over here. He's gonna go solo for a little. Set.
Let's go.
Hey, what's up? This is me. See, you're watching from a poly perspective.
Recent show, we danced at Samoan Flag Day, so that was pretty cool.
We are located in the city of West Valley, Utah, but originally from the village of Feagaiga O Ali'i, Samoa. Thank you. Feagaiga O Ali'i was formed and organized by Moea'i.
Well, as you can see, I have so many nieces and nephews, and there's not that very much programs here that they like. So the next thing I do is dancing, and I love dancing. I just teach that, but I don't dance. It's also a tribute to my mom, who played like an important role in my life.
He formed this group in dedication to the memory of his late mother, Miss Nora Feagaiga Moea'i. So far it's become a really good thing for the kids. They really enjoy doing it.
These guys, they're more to me than just my little dancers. They're like my brothers. So in a way I actually look up to them because they give me advice the same way I give them. So it's really good to see how we just communicate like that.
We're teaching them more than just dancing in itself. It's all about family. This is just one family. Oh, I really believe it's well worth it. Everything that we're doing for the kids, not just for the kids, but to teach them the values and the culture so they can take it out to the public. Let them know that they're into their culture too, that it's important to learn about the Samoan culture and to understand it. The motions and everything, it tells a story about a certain song that we perform to. So yeah, every Samoan person that's out there that understands the songs, they'll know what the motions and all that stuff is about.
I love dancing. I've been dancing since I was like little, so every time when I'm on that stage, it just feels like I'm me. It's a really cool feeling. Like it's like every time I dance, and every time I take a foot on that stage, it's like it's just me on there, no one else. It's a good thing that I actually love getting into dancing because it keeps me out of obviously trouble and stuff.
I just believe it's a positive thing for them. It keeps them more focused on what they need to do and to have more respect for themselves rather than being out there doing what they're not supposed to be doing.